Here's my Weather Shield box fan from Lasko. I originally got this back in 2009, 2010. Had it for a little while. Ended up selling it because I needed the money. And then decades later, finally got it again in 2000. I believe it was 2018. Yeah, it was last year when I got it, 2018, around the summer of 2018. So I'm glad to have it back. It's exactly the same way it was back in 09, 010 when I got it. I have to be honest, this is the only fan that Lasko will allow the large logo to remain on. All the other ones do not have that vintage large logo anymore, or the capital large logo. Only the Weather Shield does. So with that, let's go ahead and run it. This one actually has a little bit of a startup sound, but let's go ahead and run it. Sounds like the motor is speeding up and slowing down and speeding up and slowing down. Not exactly sure what that is. That could be an indication that the fan might be burning out. I don't know. It's cheaply made. You know how this stuff is these days. It does have a fuse plug, so I'm not worried. Medium power. Low power. Also, I have the other one just like this. It's the premium box fan. Before they started calling it the premium box fan, they used to call it the Power Plus, or they still call it that today. It's the more modern version. But it looks exactly the same as this one. Has the exact same blade set, same motor, same handle, just without the weather shield. If you're looking for a modern, cheap fan, I would say definitely go with one of these. It's better than that garbage 3733. I wouldn't go with the 3733. It's garbage. Other than the motor speeding up and down all the speeds, which I find kind of weird, it is still relatively a good fan. Thanks for watching. No rude comments, please. God bless you, and gone.